In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change install location for Creative Cloud apps. If your main drive is running low on space, or you simply prefer keeping apps on a different partition or external drive, setting a new default install location in the Creative Cloud desktop app is a quick and reliable way to stay organized. Start by opening the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your settings. Once the app is open, look toward the top right corner of the window for your profile icon. It often appears as your avatar or initials. Click that icon to open a small menu. From that menu, choose Preferences. This is where Creative Cloud keeps all the configuration options that affect how the app behaves behind the scenes. When the Preferences window opens, navigate to the Apps section. This tab controls installation behavior, auto updates, and a few other app management options. Inside the Apps section, find the installing area and look for the option labeled Default Location. This is the setting that tells Creative Cloud where to place any new app you install. Click the option to change or select a folder, then browse to the drive and folder you want to use as your new destination. A dedicated folder, such as a clearly named Adobe Apps directory on your chosen drive, can make things easier to manage later. Confirm your selection to save the change. A few helpful notes before you proceed: this change applies to new installs going forward. Existing apps won't be moved automatically, they'll stay where they are. If you ever decide you want those apps in the new location, you'll need to uninstall them and then reinstall with the new default in place. Also, while most app files will go to the folder you choose, Creative Cloud may still place some shared components or temporary files on your system drive. That's normal and ensures everything runs smoothly. Choose a drive with plenty of free space and good performance. If you're selecting an external drive, so make sure it's one you keep connected whenever you use your Adobe apps. Disconnecting it can prevent apps from launching. Confirm that you have permission to write to the folder and consider keeping your chosen directory free of unrelated files to avoid clutter. That's it. You've set a new default install location for Creative Cloud apps. Now, when you install or update apps, Creative Cloud will use your selected path, helping you manage storage more efficiently and keep your system organized.